Okay, y'all, I've got a piece of Labadoraite. I need to put my camera closer, but I'm afraid I'll lose the shot. And we cut this. I think I cut it, I'm not sure. Fairly sure I cut it. I've been sick, so I had a kidney infection and it's been whooping my hind end. I have not felt like doing anything. I think I just let it go too long. Well, I was on one medicine and it didn't work. So this is a piece of Labradorite. I think I cut it. Fairly sure I cut it. And I've got two pieces of 18 gauge brass wire. Not sure if it's half hard or hard. I mean, half hard or dead soft. But we'll figure it out. Yeah, I'm sorry about not getting the video up last week, but I have not felt good. I don't even feel like doing a video today. So I found the center, and I'm going to wrap it around, and I think this is it. Just from bending it. I hope I can do it, because I don't feel good today, but we'll see. Yeah, it feels like half hard, because dead soft would be like butter. Started to use copper, and I thought, well, copper might not work good with the flash, but I should have used the copper, I think. I'll get it tighter. Just don't press it too hard there, because you could wind up breaking your wire. I'm just going to do a simple little wrap so I can get you a video. And go across. And bring that one up. Bring that one back down. I'm going to take this one across the top. Whoops. Take that one across the top. Pull it tight. And take that one down. So it's going to look like that. Now, I'm going to do a little swirl here. Yeah, it's half hard. I can't do my swirl like I would like to. Take it around the back. And turn it and do the same thing to this side. Take it down and go around the back. Now you've got it caged in. And those are my burnt end ones. I need these. And I am going to take this, try to get a good hole on it, and, well, let's twist it this way. And put a twist in it. Take this one and get a good hole of it and put a twist in it. Let's get them back up and down a little bit. Now, I want this to be my top, because my flash is more with it oriented like this. So I am going to take, let's see, let's wrap that around one more time. Well, let's do a little swirl here. And take it up to the top. I need to wrap that one around one more time. See, it's stiff wire, so it's not wanting to wrap right. And I'm going to pull that down if I can get the edge. Yeah, hopefully I feel better next week. So I'm going to have to do some videos next week. But yeah, I have not felt good. I finally broke down and called MD Live and got a different prescription because I was not doing good. I thought he was going to send me to the ER after paying him, and I'm like, oh no. Now, we took it up, we ran around. This one's the one we brought from the bottom. And let's see, what can we do? I don't like doing the same thing all the time, so I'm going to take these two and wrap it back around that. One more time. Take those two and make the bell. And I like to use a paintbrush handle. I mean, you can use a pencil. You use whatever you have. I just use because I've got them laying here from painting, so. Need to turn that in a little bit, but. There. Now see. If I can get that one to go up. My son put me an air conditioner in my car at work, and the one he got me, the compressor has gone out of it. Already, it had a crack or it's leaking or something. I don't know what. But he said that he's going to have to get another one. So, yeah. Now, I'll wrap that around. I'm going to make a little curl up here. Well, I'm going to try to make a little curl. Y'all want that or not? I'm going the wrong way, that's why it ain't working. Tell you I didn't feel good. Oh, I'll cut that out. Alright, we're going to try to go this way. I'm going to need some round nose. That's hard wire, and I've already hardened it. So get down the side and get rid of it here. around this one. I got a phone over there on charge, and it is making sounds like it's done charging, and I can't go over to it right now. So if you hear something bloop, that's what it is. See if I can get these little ones in here. Alright, now we've got all that, and we've got 3 wires left. So what we want to do, bring that around. Just spin it over the top. And I'm going to bring it around and bring it down here to the bottom and wrap it around that one. Then I'm going to take it across here. And we'll cut it here. Probably need to make smaller cuts, but we'll see. If I have to, I'll trim it a little bit more. Haven't wasted my time. Whenever I was sitting in bed, I scribbled down some of my children's books that I have ideas for. I just did not feel like getting out of bed. And yesterday I'm like, I know if I don't get to a doctor today, I won't be able to work tomorrow. So hopefully, as I take the medicine now, that it will help. Alright, we've got that. I need to cover up this right here. So, I'm going to do another swirl here. I'm going to try to keep it tight. And then go bigger. This one might not be. Probably should have twisted it the other way. I want to go that way. How do I want to do that? Pull it a little tighter. Pull that one down a little bit. And then do a little curl here. And we'll go up here. A little bit tighter. Go around the back and we'll get it there somehow. There's the end. Now we'll get in there and we'll clip that in. And mesh it down in there. Open them up. Oh yeah, there it is. Labadoraite pendant. Sorry I missed getting the video up, but, well, I missed a couple, I think. I just have not felt good. It's been a bad year this year so far. So I'll try to do better, but I can't promise because I haven't felt well. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking out to the end. Like and subscribe. It really does help out. And check out my links in the description. You can help support my channel that way. And I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye. It's my proof. Hi everyone. I got the VC box for my husband and he ended up loving it. Honestly, we both did. We like it so much that I actually became an affiliate. If you already have internet, the VC box makes it easy to watch tons of live channels, movies, shows, and sports without monthly cable bills. It's simple to set up, streams in HD, and has been a great way for us to cut our TV costs. If you want to check it out, my link is below.